Cat, why don't you come inside? I know I'm going to be in there for a little while, and you're going to want to come in and use the bathroom in about 30 minutes. Come on. Hey. Come on, boy. Can you come out of your house? Come on, boy. I'm going inside. I'm going to be in for a while, boy, and I know you're going to want to use the bathroom. Are you not coming out? Hey. What you doing? Come on. Hey. Let's go inside, boy. Come on. Psst, psst, psst. Hey. Come on, man. What do you see out there that's so important? Look at the foliage. Oh, it's so pretty. Hey, come on. We gotta go in, boy. We got to do it. All right. Well, I'm going in. You're trapped outside. It is pretty out there. It's pretty out. You pretty, Gaby? Huh? You pretty boy?